Hey y'all, hey, and welcome to episode 2 of our nesting series. Welcome back, y'all, and let's just say nesting hit me so hard this week. I went from scrubbing the bathroom to deep cleaning the entire kitchen, and my pregnancy body paid for it all. Now, y'all already know that step 1 was to declutter this countertop and underneath this sink. After decluttering everything, I went straight into wiping down the countertops, and y'all, I made the mistake of getting those Dollar Tree wipes that TikTok was talking about. Never again. Like, the wipes were extremely dry and they were hard to pull apart. From now on, I'm just gonna stick to my Lysol wipes and my Clorox wipes from now on. Now, off camera, I went ahead and finished deep cleaning the bathroom, and then I made my way to the kitchen. I started with first hand washing the dishes and then putting them in the dishwasher to be cleaned again and sanitized. So after I finish washing the dishes, I always clean out the garbage disposal because I refuse to have a funky kitchen. I rinse the sink and scrub it down with Dawn dish soap. Then I toss in my little concoction of ice, Fabuloso, Common, and a splash of carpet cleaner to get the disposal clean, the blade sharp, and it's smelling fresh again. Once that's done, I pop in the Cascade pot and a little bit of Clorox in the dishwasher and let that run, and then I continue cleaning up the kitchen. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I actually like deep cleaning because it just makes my house feel so fresh and so light. I just don't like how it makes me feel at the end. And here's a deep cleaning tip. Focus on those hard to reach spaces that a lot of people don't pay attention to, because the last thing you want is for someone to come in and say that your house smells funny, or to feel like your house isn't clean, because I know I don't feel myself when my house isn't clean. Hey y'all, hey, and welcome to day 2 of episode 2 for our nesting journey. So as y'all can see, I'm in the laundry room right now because y'all, we gotta clean this thing out. It's not really that bad, but I want to clean this out and get this together. I've already washed all of our clothes, all my baby clothes. I just need to really hang our baby clothes and then kind of declutter our closet, kind of get some organization going a little bit more in there. So yeah, and your girl did her hair. Y'all, I cut my hair back in October of last year, and this is my hair now. I did trim it a bit because when I had that quick weave style, I cut my real hair a little bit to give me that little bang look that I wanted. So yeah, it's just hair to grow back. But anyways, we finna finish cleaning out this laundry room. Just look a mess. All right, you guys, now the reason that it took me so long to do this again, y'all know I am pregnant and my feet started to swell and I was getting worried. So I just kind of sat down and rested for a few days because maybe I was thinking like maybe I went a little too hard with like cleaning and stuff, because y'all, when I clean, baby, I clean like, especially with a deep clean, I really do clean. So I was like maybe I needed to rest for a few days and really like give my body time to adjust, because the last thing I want is to have any problem. So I'm cleaning the washer and it's not really bad, but this is just something I wanted to clean out, you know, for obvious reasons. Now I have the laundry room pretty much cleaned out. I'm gonna put a Tide Pod in the washer and put it on a clean setting so it can clean the washer. I didn't really do too much because I just wanted to like sweep behind it and stuff like that. It's still fairly new, so it's not really like bad. The dryer, I clean the dryer and like where the vent is frequently, so that's no biggie either. Now we finna head over to our bedroom closet. This is just a reminder to clean up behind that washer and that dryer. Okay, thank you. As y'all can see here, our closet is pretty organized, but I want to go through and fix this stuff here and then the stuff at the top. Okay, y'all can see. That way our baby stuff can go down here on this bottom rack. All right. And I don't have a lot of baby hangers, but I have a few, so I'm gonna use what I got for now and then go grab some more hangers. On my baby's registry, I have her like the little organizer for like 6 month, 3 month. You know, I'm just trying to get as much as I can done in our with the stuff that we already have, so that way once we get more stuff, it's not so overwhelming. and it's not sitting all over the house cluttered, because that'll drive me crazy too. So right now I'm just going through folding her towels and the little bit of clothes that I didn't get to hang up, so that way I can at least get them stored out the way nicely. And once I finally get some more hangers, I can go in and actually hang up the rest of her clothes. I do want to get some shoe organizers as well for our closet, just to make it a little bit more organized, so we can go all the way in the closet and really sort through stuff a little bit better. So I'm gonna be looking for those as well. I don't know about y'all, but I saw Amazon had some like the IKEA closet set up, but it was already like kind of built, so to speak, and you didn't have to put it together. So I'll be looking into that. That's all of her towels, and then I'm gonna get her onesies hung folded up, and then that'll be pretty much it for right now. So that is all baby girl clothes, and I think that's gonna conclude this video. I'll see y'all in episode 3, where we're gonna go a little bit more deeper into things, and by that time I believe I should be and had my baby shower. So I hope y'all gonna really stay tuned and really go on this journey with us. Thank y'all so much, and I love y'all.